In today's video, we're gonna make my Wraith stiff with this brace from Reefs RC.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the RC Propaganda YouTube channel, coming back at you with another video. And if you do find yourself new here, we cover everything to do with scale RC rock crawling, whether or not that's installs, product reviews, or rig reviews. We have a little bit of everything, so please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you can see whenever we post new videos. Alright, so here is Mrs. Propaganda's Wraith. Now we've been going ahead and starting to mod this a little bit. If you follow the channel and have seen some of our other videos on it, we have incision links on the bottom, and we just recently did some Proline big bore scalar shocks. I'll put a link above if you want to check that out. But in this video, we're going to go ahead and move on with the install on this Reefs RC chassis brace. Now, I did a little research. I did not see any other videos on how to do this, and it only comes with like a picture on the back here, so that might confuse some of the newer type of people if you're not good at knowing how things go without directions. I know for me, I like to see how things are done, and then I can usually replicate it, but the picture was kind of unclear, but I did go ahead, figured how it went on, and in this video we're going to bring that to you. So Mrs. Propaganda is going to get some tools, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing installed for you guys. Okay, so here we go. Mrs. Propaganda is going to get this thing all installed. So first you're going to want to flip the car upside down, like so. And all you're going to need is a 2mm hex driver. And first you're going to want to take the bumper off via these two set pin screws right underneath. So you will go ahead, remove those two screws, and then you're going to slide the bumper right out. And next you're going to want to take the two screws out that hold the bumper support in. Okay, and then the bumper support comes out, and then there's two more screws on the chassis that you're going to want to go ahead and loosen those up. Take them all the way out, and the brace is going to slide right over them. Okay, so once you get the screws removed, you're going to go ahead, grab your chassis brace, and it is going to slide on like so. You're going to just slide it back. You can see the tabs go facing down, and it just pops over the holes, and then you're going to want to go ahead and install everything. So you put these screws back in here into your chassis. Okay, and then once you have those on, you're going to put the bumper support on. Make sure that you put it on with the right holes facing up towards you so you can get those screws in for your bumper. And then you're just going to slide that on, and you might want to get a screw and just start screwing it in because that metal brace is a little in the way, but once you tighten it down, everything should start fitting where it needs to. Okay, once you have those two screws, you can go ahead and put your bumper back on. And that's it. Easy as that. So that is a super simple mod, but it's going to provide a nice stiff chassis and give you no flex, which is something you really want with these crawlers. So here is just another look at it installed in there. just to kind of see how the orientation goes in case you're trying to do this yourself. Well, all right, guys, we got that all bolted on. It was super easy. And what did you think? You get it on there, no problem?
Very easy. If I can do it, you can do it.
So, yeah, that's just going to provide us a little bit of stiffness on this plastic tube chassis. I really like the truck and the design of it, but you can definitely like squeeze, like if you squeeze in here, that stuff kind of has a lot of flex to it. And when it comes to crawler chassis, you really want to have a nice stiff chassis just to give the suspension everything, all its chances to work and stuff. You don't want the chassis flex and all that. You just want a really stiff setup. But this should definitely be a direction in the right step. This build is coming along nicely. We got links, we got shocks, we got the chassis brace there. I did order a anti-rocker or sway bar, but it did not fit. I know you can put one on here. It has the mounts right here for it. It wasn't clearing the shocks. I need a different one. I didn't want to get that one. I wanted to get a Reefs one, but if you are looking, the Reefs RC sway bar will not fit on this. It's going to hit the shocks. It just doesn't have enough adjustment, I don't think. So hopefully I can get the new one in and get it all on, and we will get that video out to you guys. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys learned something. As always, make sure you're following us on Instagram. I'm at RC_propaganda.
And Mrs_RC_propaganda.
Wow, that one's kind of a mouthful, but I don't know what's up with the underscores, but that's what we did. But yeah, don't forget, you can go to our website. All the photos of Mrs. Propaganda have been taken down, and those are going to be exclusively on her Onlyfans. It's a work in progress. We did take some of the website photos and post them on there, just so if you do go ahead and subscribe on there, you have some photos. And we're currently just working on trying to make that something people want to see. So if you go on there, stick with us, it will get better. Again, we appreciate all of the subscribers and everyone who leaves a comment. Make sure you do comment below. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. We're trying to grow the channel. So if you could comment below, we'd really like it. And we'll see you guys in the next video.